Hi, this video I will show you how to install the Mambaforge on Windows and how to install them with pylibs. So first we need to install the Mambaforge on Windows, and following the instructions, just download the Mambaforge window installer. So go to this website and get the installer. So you need to scroll all down to somewhere here called Mambaforge, and there's a window and download this file. So, oh, this time it's very quick. And then remember to install as administrator. And when you first click this installer, you have to click the more info, and then you are able to run it. Just click and leave everything as default. It may take just 1 or 2 minutes and complete. Just say okay. So then just search Mambaforge, and please remember to run as administrator. This is very important. Run as administrator. Say yes, and we are ready to install all the package. And this process will take several minutes. We'll see you later. And it will ask for your confirmation. Press uppercase or down or lowercase y are both okay. In just 1 or 2 minutes, you will be able to see the command will show package are installed. And if you need, I also recommend you to install the Spyder. You can use the version 4. I think it's much stable than 5 in my view. And click. And asking if you want to confirm the change, press Y. And after 1 or 2 minutes, you'll be able the system will install this Spyder for you. Spyder is IDE. It has a very good interface. I'll show you a little later. And it was set for installing the package. After that, you want to add to download the pylibs and add the directory to the Python path. And so first we need to download the py package. It's right here. If you don't have a Git on your computer, just click code and download the Git. And you will download a file called pylibs master, and copy this file to anywhere you think appropriate. So, for example, in my computer, I put it in my hard drive B under the folder schism, and then I extract the file to this folder. Yeah, because I have already extracted the file, so just ask me if I will replace the old one or not. And please remember to copy this path. And then in your computer, the property and advanced system settings, environmental variables, and Python path. If you don't have it, you need to create it. So the next Python path, and put this path as the value for this variable, and click OK, OK, and that's it. And now we open the Spyder. And let's see if we have make everything right. Try import ty. Okay, so it's already in. Great. That'll be all. Thanks.